If you want to add clip art or simple images into Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it, even if you're using a newer version of Word. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to search for the right image, and how to insert it into your document in just a few seconds. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. To begin, open Microsoft Word and make sure your document is ready. Now look at the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps all of the tools for adding objects, pictures, shapes, and other visuals into your file. If you're using an older version of Word, you may see an option called Online Pictures. Click that, and Word will open a search window where you can look for clip art style images. In the search box, type in a keyword that matches the image you want. For example, you could type things like computer, business, flowers, icons, or whatever fits your document. Once you search, Word will display a range of images that match your keyword. Take your time and browse through the results until you find the one that looks best. When you see the image you want, simply click it to select it, and then choose Insert. Word will place the image directly into your document where your cursor is located. Now, if you're using a newer version of Microsoft Word, the process is slightly different. Instead of Online Pictures, go to Insert, then Pictures, and then select Stock Images. This newer option gives you access to built-in visuals that are similar to clip art, including illustrations, icons, and other image assets. Once the Stock Images window opens, you can use the search bar to find the type of image you need. Again, type in a keyword that describes the visual you want, and Word will bring up matching results. After that, click the image you want, then insert it into your document. Once inserted, you can resize the image by clicking and dragging the corners, or move it around by selecting and dragging it into a new position. If needed, you can also use the picture formatting tools to adjust the layout, wrap text around the image, or make it fit better with the rest of your content. This is especially useful if you want your document to look clean, professional, and visually appealing, and that's really all there is to it. Whether you're adding a simple clip art style image or using newer stock image options in Microsoft Word, the process is fast and easy once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.